This is a resource description framework file. It's used to describe metadata on the web. It looks like code because it is XML. You can view the syntax in any text editor. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's inspect it. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware. I've kept the most effective RDF file solution for the tough cases near the end. The Resource Description Framework, RDF, is a standard model for data interchange on the web. RDF provides a common framework for expressing information in a machine-readable format, enabling data to be shared and reused across different applications and systems. It is often used for metadata description and knowledge representation. RDF data is structured as subject-predicate-object triples, forming a directed graph. This graph-based structure allows for flexible and extensible data modeling. RDF uses URIs to identify resources and properties, ensuring global uniqueness and interoperability. Serialization formats include XML, Turtle, and JSON-LD. The fundamental software link for RDF files is built around Mozilla Firefox by Mozilla. Opening this file outside of a dedicated environment can lead to irreversible data corruption. Windows accommodates text files naturally, requiring no extra utilities. Open the context menu by right-clicking the RDF file and selecting Open With. Start your test with Mozilla Firefox if it shows up. If not, don't hesitate to try several other programs on your list. If you cannot access the RDF file, no problem. Only the most difficult files make it this far. We must now test these known failure areas to get a definitive answer on the problem's origin. First, use text editor or browser. Open the file using a code editor, VS Code, or drag the file into a web browser to view the structured XML RDF content. Next, validate structure. Use an online XML RDF validator to ensure the document adheres to the specified structure. Finally, check Associated Program. Determine the associated program, e.g. Mozilla Firefox, specific data tool, that created the .rdf file. Since thousands of developers share extension names, your RDF file may belong to a different program than the ones currently on your PC. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your RDF file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Keep your skills sharp, and thanks for learning with me. If you found this useful, please share it on social media and ensure you subscribe for more.